If you are looking for how to add story video in Facebook on your PC, then you are at right place. So in order to do that, you have to first open Facebook and then you have to go to your profile. So I want to upload a video story on my Facebook profile. So as you can see, the option is available, add to story. You have to click here. Now you can see there is two options: create a text story and create a photo story. So right now the option of video story is not available, but if you click on photo story, you will redirect to the folders from where you have to select a file. So here you have to simply click on all files, and then you will see your video as well. As you can see, this is the video which is in .mp4 file. So I'm going to select this video and click on open. Now you will see this message that this story is not supported, please select a photo instead. Simply cross it here, and then you will see the option share to story. Simply click on share to story. So in this way you can upload a video post on your story on Facebook. So let me show you uh, that this is working or not. So now the video is uploaded. Now I have to click here, and here I have to click on view story. So as you can see, I have successfully uploaded video story on Facebook on PC. Hope you like this little tutorial. Feel free to subscribe to my channel, and if you have any question, ask me in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.